There's a massive difference between an AI workflow and an AI agent. An AI workflow follows your instructions, an AI agent makes its own decisions. Imagine this, you ask what are the latest trends in automation. A regular workflow would just pass that to ChatGPT or Cloud or Perplexity, give you a generic answer. But an AI agent, it decides to search Google, whether to browse Reddit, or if there is any other tool added, it has to search what kind of tools it has to use. Then it cross-references multiple sources, remember your previous questions, and then gives you a researched and well-structured answer, all on its own. Hi, this is Aryan Shastogi from Agile Automate, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what AI agents are, when to use them, and how to build your first one in n8n. This is the future of automation, so let's build it. So what is an AI agent and how is it different? Let me explain this clearly because most people get this wrong. I've explained this in detail in this video. You can check out that, but just to summarize for this video, traditional automation, you tell the computer, do step 1, then step 2, then step 3. It follows your exact instructions. No thinking, no decisions. AI workflow, you tell the computer, use AI to analyze this data, the AI processes it and gives you an output, still following your defined path. Now, what is an AI agent? You tell the AI, here are some tools, use them and figure out what needs to be done and give me the final answer in a structured way. So the AI decides which tools to use, when to use them, and how many times to use them. So before you build an AI agent, you need to know when to use one. So use AI agents when you need multi-step reasoning, like research this topic and give me a comprehensive report. The agent figures out what sources to check and then gives an answer. Number 2, dynamic decision making. Handle customer inquiries. The agent decides if it should search the knowledge base, check order status, or escalate to human. Number 3, conversational context. So like you're having a back and forth dialogue and the agent may need to remember the previous questions. In this case, AI agent is the best. So when not to use AI agents? Don't use AI agents when you have a fixed process, like every morning sync data from sheets to database. Traditional automation is faster and cheaper for these kind of works. Number 2, speed is critical. So like agents think before acting, which adds latency. So if you need instant responses, use the workflows. Number 3, you need 100% consistency. So like always format data exactly in the same way. Agents may not be right for these kind of works. Number 4, budget matters. So like every agent, decision making cost, API costs, simple tasks don't need to go into AI agents. They are not the right ones for this. Rule of thumb is basically if you can draw the exact steps, use a workflow, and if you need intelligence or flexibility, use an AI agent. So now let's try to understand the important concepts of AI agent through the real AI agent flow on n8n. So to understand this better, let's go to the screen.
Okay, so this is the AI agent we have built. So this is a smart research assistant. Ultimately, what it does is that it gives me the top 3 updates for any topic that I want to, that I put it in the chat. Okay, this is really good. This is really nice. And I made the link public also so that I can use it from anywhere. Okay, but just to show you, I will use the chat, the window over here only. What is the AI agent? Okay, so if you see here, so this is the brain part, and so this is something through which this agent thinks. Okay, so ultimately whatever the prompt you are going to put in this agent, that is the, if you see here, this is the ultimate prompt. Okay, it is going to be thinking through this AI model only. So it is going to send this prompt over here, and use this brain to basically ultimately take the actions. Okay, and these are the tools, these like which are going to be used over here. One is SERP API. This is to basically search the internet. Second is Reddit to get many posts on Reddit. So it is to get the Reddit post it is basically to use the Reddit post. So in this, we are basically using the information from the internet as well as the Reddit post to get the updates. That's what we are doing. Now, the third thing is the memory part. This is to help the agent remember. For example, let's say you have got the updates for something, and you're then talking to the chat over here, and suddenly you want to say that what are the updates we told about, let's say, a particular topic. Then it will be able to remember like whatever updates it has given. Ultimately, it helps to get the data from its own memory rather than getting into searching the internet and going through the prompt again and again. Okay, so that is what the AI agent in a nutshell is about. One is this is the brain through which the AI agent ultimately thinks through the prompts. So that is number one. Number two is the tools part. So these are the tools part through which the AI agent takes the action. The third one is the memory part. Okay, I have put a very descriptive video in one of the videos. I will link it over here somewhere so that you can see and then see it and understand it a little more in an elaborative way. I will. I'm not going to make the AI agent again. Let me help you understand the AI agent through AI agent only. Okay. So let's say that I want to know about I want to get the latest updates about latest version. Okay. So I just came to know that it has a new version has just been launched. Let's say I want to know about the latest updates about them, maybe two or three. So I will send it over here. So see, so it is thinking to through this model. It has gone to SERP API to search the internet. Okay. Then it has gone to Reddit post also. It is basically looking, it is analyzing what needs to be done next. Okay. So ultimately, all the things are done. Then it has gone to JavaScript node and then appended the three updates into the sheet. Then it has again gone into the JavaScript. So that it can be so that the data can be shown in the best way possible. So let me show you the data how it is shown. Okay, so these are the latest updates. Okay, so number one is button custom field menu trigger update. ClickUp officially announced the button custom field feature that allows users to manually trigger automations for a specific task with a custom button click. Okay, and if we want to read more about, let's say we want to read more about it, we can simply click on it and we can go to the particular article, okay, or particular post. Then meet Brain Max, the AI super app, ClickUp's major AI announcement and introducing Brain Max, the advanced AI. So these are the three updates, and we can see the date on it. We can go to the particular link also. This particular format is getting generated through the code node. Ultimately, if you don't want to, let's say, append over here, so why we have not put the chat node directly over here? Because if you are putting directly over here, it will directly generate the output whatever it is generated over here. But if we want to basically append it in different formats, then that's why we have you have given the output to the code node. It will change it to a particular format, then append it to the particular sheet, and then it is again changing it to a particular format so that it is easily readable. If you see over here, this is like very easily readable, right? So the code node it is getting changed. We can do the same thing. We can put the format over here also. Means in the prompt also we can put like this is the format through which you need to generate. Ultimately, it will the prompt will get a lot bigger, and then it will start generating the bad output through this AI agent. Okay, so let me just show you this is a system prompt. Okay, so you're an AI research agent specialized in curating the most relevant and recent content. So these are the critical requirement. Like this is a date. Only select content from the last 30 days. If there are fewer than three recent items, return only what's available. Prioritize content from the last 7 days above all else. So this is the prompt through which it is thinking, analyzing, and then generating the output. So this is what AI agent is about. Okay, I'm again going to repeat what is important over here. I'm not going to say like or how like what the output was and whether it was right or wrong, because we can obviously make it more error free. We can make it better through using more tools, using better prompts, but that is not what we are going to we are doing over here. So let me just repeat what AI agent is. So AI agent has four different pillars which are very important. One is the brain. Okay, ultimately through this only it thinks. Then the tools through which it takes action. Then the memory part where it saves. So it has saved the data of whatever it has generated. Then ultimately the prompt, because this is how the agent is going to work. It is going to give the structure to the AI agent, how it is going to work. So this is what the AI agent is. And let me just show you. So if you see over here in the logs, you can see it have firstly seen whether the data was available in the memory. It was not, then it has analyzed through the model, gone to SERP API, gone through Reddit API, generated the data, then it has again gone to the chat model to see if there's anything else that needs to be done, then gone to the memory to save the data, then obviously changing it to particular format, appending it to the sheet, then changing it to particular format, and then basically replying to the chat. So that is what the AI agent is, and ultimately it is helping a lot to different companies doing different things, and we are going to see this in the next set of videos.
So you just built your first AI agent in n8n. So this agent can search the web intelligently, browse community discussions, remember the conversations, save research automatically, and make autonomous decisions about which tools to use when. Next steps can be, you can add more tools on top of this, give it maybe access to a database, your docs, your CRM. The more the tools, the more capable it is. Second is you can improve the system prompt, refine how it thinks and decides, maybe add error handling, make it production ready. So I hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, subscribe to this channel. And if you need support in the business optimization and automation, please click on the link in the description and book a call with us. We help businesses transform their operations, save their valuable time and money using ClickUp, n8n, AI tools, and proven systems and habit frameworks. So stay tuned for the next set of videos, and until then, stay productive.